Okay guys, we're doing a couple of videos back to back here. So we're here at Doug's Basement Workshop. Obviously we are not in the basement or in the workshop. We're in the house where the laser lives. The laser is sitting right there. Laser. It's turned on right now because I've been running it all day. So today I wanted to talk about the things that I've had problems with getting my laser and getting it up and running into a functional part. So I just did a video about having shattered the lens in my laser. My laser was having some problems where it wasn't burning in one corner. The front left corner, the whole left side wasn't cutting through, and my burns weren't as good as they should be. Now, because I work with a CNC machine, the Shapeoku, it's a router CNC, I have an idea of how the machines operate. I also already owned a laser before I bought the Glowforge. It was a cheap little Chinese knockoff laser, but it taught me a lot about the machine and what I should be seeing and what problems and how to diagnose some of this stuff. I realized my big problem was I was out of focus. I wasn't getting a consistent burn only on one side, which means my focus wasn't right on that side. The other side was fine. So I took everything apart and I cleaned everything the way I thought I should. Up here is a picture. On the left side of your laser is another little window. So if you look at your little black box and you go straight over across that silver bar on your x-axis, you're going to see another glass window circle that you have to clean. Guys, I've never cleaned it in the 2 months that I've had my laser running. It was so bad. I cleaned it. It was like having a brand new laser again. So I'm going to put a picture up over here, or a little video, so you can see what I'm talking about. Just one of those little things that no one ever really tells you about. The second thing, and I will do a video up here again, or a picture, that little black box on the front that magnetically locks onto your laser. There's that window on the side, there's the lens up in the bottom, the one that we took out and I cracked them. When I dropped, I broke it. That's the lens right there. Did you know that the top of the box lifts off and there's a mirror inside? You have to take the mirror out and clean it. I found this out when I was taking it apart to clean it, and I grabbed the top of it and I was lifting and trying to ooch it out, and the top popped off my hand and darn near had a stroke. There's a mirror in there, guys. Clean the mirror, clean that little lens on the side. So there should be 1, 2, 3, at least 4 lenses that you should be cleaning when you're just doing a quick clean to keep your laser up and going and making sure that your focus is right and getting a good burn power. Again, these are my lessons as I'm going through and learning stuff. Guys, please, if you have more tips, let me know. I would be happy to add them into another video, or I can learn some stuff so that I can maybe not be spending so much time having bad burns and wasting wood and wasting materials. I am learning. Hopefully you guys are learning along with me. Alright guys, this has been another video from Doug's Basement Workshop. Remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.